Today we're gonna put our Chandlers to the test to see who wins this 20 Smuckaroos. We are gonna do a blind smell test, and I got $20 from my own pocket, and we're gonna see who wins. Let's meet our contestants today.
Hi, my name is Catherine. I've been working at Love & Make for over 2 years, and I really want that $20 so that way I can pay for my lunch on Friday.
Hi guys, I'm Lainey. I've been at Love & Make for about a year, and the competition today is pretty stiff, but I'm feeling confident. I have a drive to win today.
Hi, my name is Ekemini, and I've only been at Love & Make for like 3 months. So we'll see how I'll get the $20.
So we're gonna go through 3 rounds today. Round 1, they're gonna smell the base scent by itself. Round 2, it's gonna be 2 scents together. And round 3, it's gonna be multiple scents, and they're gonna have to just pick up as many as they can. All right, contestants, put your blindfolds on. All right, this is round 1. This should be an easy one for them. Let's see. You think you got it? No?
Okay.
You think you got it?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. I thought
you think you got it?
I thought I knew what it was, but then.
Okay. Answers, please. Okay. Kimini saying blue spruce. Lainey saying calla lily. And Catherine is saying calla lily. All right, who's right? Okay, they got it. A point for Lainey, a point for Catherine. Okay. All right, answers please. Catherine said nutmeg and cedar. Lainey, vetiver. Kimini, nutmeg and cedar. 1 point for Kimini and Kat. Sorry. Kimini, come on now. She's making faces. You better get that one. All right. Answers, please. All right. Black seed. Lainey, sea black. And sandalwood for Kat. Ding, ding. All right. So we're even. The score now is 2-2-2. Now we're on level 2. There's 2 scents on this strip. We're gonna see how many they get right. 1 point for each scent. All right, you only have a few seconds to smell, see what you can identify.
No, I know I've smelled these fragrances before.
Oh. Competition is heating up. We have equal scores, 2-2-2. So in round 2, we gotta see who really knows their fragrances. Let's get back and see how they answered. All right, Kimini said cherry blossom and white birch. Okay, sandalwood and bamboo coconut. Cucumber, melon, and tobacco. You got one right. Yeah. Cherry blossom. If you crossed out patchouli and that was in there.
Really?
Yes. This is the last round of level 2. We have a Kimini in the lead with 3 and the other ladies at 2. Let's see if they get it this time. All right, reveal your answers. Okay, Kimini, cashmere plum, and Fraser fir. We have Lainey with white tea, ginger, and spa, and Kat with gardenia and yang amber. This is the final round. We've got Kimini at 3, Kat and Lainey at 2. This is for all the marbles. We've got 3 scents in here. Let's see if they get it right. This is for the $20, y'all.
How are you feeling?
Alright-ish. My headache is coming in, but
It's alright, because I'm still pushing. I still got a head in the game. I can win.
Never back down, never what? Never back down, never what?
They're never gonna get this. They're not gonna get this. Now in terms of your kid,
I smell one thing.
says not supposed to be.
All right, answers revealed. Okay, we'll start with Lainey first. She's saying peppermint, eucalyptus, mint mojito, and cinnamon. Okay. We have a Kimini mint mojito, peppermint, eucalyptus, and sandalwood. All right. And you're saying peppermint, eucalyptus, cinnamon, and apple maple. Okay, you got 2. You got 2. 1. Okay, so let's do the scores.
I know.
All right, it looks like our chandlers are very sophisticated with their smell palette. The score ended up being 4-4. So the money goes back to me. I'm just playing. We're gonna split the money. So good job, ladies. Give yourself a round. All right. If you want to discover your smell palette, come to Love and Make. We're located in Houston, Texas, in Rice Village, and we do candle making. That's our signature workshop. We also do soap making and bath bombs too, and we can't wait to see you.